Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send your location on WhatsApp, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the chats button down below, which is the fourth option. Select the community, click on the plus icon down below, and then tap on location, which is the fourth option. Click on either settings and tap on location and select from these options. Go back to the app. Here you have your location. Tap on it, double tap, and it will be sent. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.